next step in our travel planning. What do we need to do? What do we need to do? What do we need to do? We need a list. We need a list. Why? Because we forget some of the things that we need to do. List. We need to be organized. First and foremost, you're going to be excited about whatever your travel plans are. You're going to be concentrating on that, where you're going, what you're doing, who you're going to see. So you're not really thinking about what you have to take. So it only stands to reason that it's a good idea to have a list. You have to be organized. Most importantly, on your list, checklist, what goes with has to come home. So you have your list, so at the end of the trip, you just take it with you and you can just tick off all the things that you took, all the things that are going back. Okay. Next on our list, what do we need? Clothes. What kind of clothes do you need? Clothes for cool weather, clothes for warm weather. Do you need your PJs? Do you need swimming apparel? Are you going on a winter trip? Do you need woolies and scarves? And it's so important that you have these lists so you don't forget anything. You don't forget anything. You know, like your favorite pink underwear. Can't forget that. Okay, what else is on my list? Toiletries, meds, oh, and hair products. For heaven's sakes, girls, don't forget the hair products. Point of this whole segment is, of course, do have a list, do be organized. It really does help when you're putting everything together because you are excited about what's going on. We'll be back in a minute and put everything together.